Bill Ball here in Venice, Florida, on top of the San Marco condominium complex. This is a 7-story condo complex that we have been hired to do some renovations on. We're going to be starting off with doing the repair work here today to stop the leaks until we can go ahead and get all the materials and everything secured and the rainy season stops to do a full replacement up here of this roof deck. It's been in place since the 1960s. They want to go down to bare deck and replace everything. So this is going to be a fun project. El Jefe! Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. All right, you see the guys are still hard at work taking off the gravel in the car. Actually, they've been here since 9 o'clock this morning, 4 hours, and they're still at it. They're moving the down to the modified. It's a lot of work.